Hi there, this is Bill with Smart Trades on November 11th, and we're going to do a quick review of the Dow and look at our count, as well as how we might trade a target like this, an Elliott Wave target, and on a shorter term basis when it actually hits the target. Anyway, first let's review the count and our target. Our target 10,325. We did exceed that by a bit, 10,341, almost 42. Not quite a direct hit, but not too bad. And also, the market failed right at the upper channel connecting recent highs. Reviewing the Elliott Wave count briefly, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then possibly 5. You can see the subdivisions here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within that fifth wave. The other possibility is, and we mentioned this yesterday, is we can move this up here, make this 3, and the possibility that we've got one more rally to go. We may pull back a bit and then rally back up. At any rate, it still looks like a potential short. It doesn't look like the short-term decline is done. So I'd still be looking at the short side here for now, and then we'll see if it holds and if a wave 4 develops or not. Also, just reviewing the advanced decline line, did indeed continue to diverge against the new highs right at the target. I'm going to shift here to a 1-minute chart, and we'll go back to, here we go. Here's the Dow actually hitting our target and exceeding it briefly. And then on this, we decline and we carve out on a 1-minute chart a very small A, B, C rally. And the idea here, once you see one of these coming off a target, is to sell the bottom of the B wave or the bottom of the previous impulse wave. In this case, basis the cash, you'd be looking at 10,021 about, just a little lower than that, 10,320.88 to be exact. And let me just bring up the Dow futures so you can see what that looks like. And we'll scroll back to find that. Here we are. And again, you can see our A, B, C. The sell would have been at approximately at the breakout of the B wave low. That's at 10,287 is that low, so 10,286 would be the sell point. And you'd put your protective stop just above the top of the pattern, so risking a little more than 10 Dow points on the futures, or if you wanted to give it more room, you could put it above actually above the high. And as it turned out, from there, you got about a 60-point decline intraday. Ideally, perhaps sell a couple of contracts as you get a 5-wave structure down, take profits on one, and then bring your stop to break even on the second contract. Hopefully that makes sense, and you folks were able to make a little bit of money off of that projection, and that's how we'll trade it in the future. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.